I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here because today I am going to be hosting a movie night at my house. I love hosting movie nights and let me show you all of the things that I do to prepare for movie night. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. The first thing I do for movie night is get out my decorations and then I make a list of all the foods or whatever I want to fix and I get those items ordered or I make a quick run to the grocery store to pick up everything I'm going to need. I love to get on the computer and make a really fun invitation for movie night. I always like to deliver it to my friends in person or I'll send them a text version. I also inquire to see if there are any movies that they've been wanting to see that we could watch at home. When considering what I'm going to serve, I always like to make a list of things that would be served in a movie theater. For instance, nachos, pizza, hot dogs, and of course, popcorn. To add a little more fun to the evening, I love to play movie trivia. You can pick a theme or a category or a certain decade for a movie night. It's fun to also have a prize package for the winner. I love making these prize packages. All of these items are available at the Dollar Tree. One thing I definitely love serving at every movie night is a movie night charcuterie tray. I just take a tray and fill it full of a variety of all different kinds of candies, and then I add the popcorn. I purchased these really cute little popcorn containers at the Dollar Tree. You can also purchase these at Walmart and of course on Amazon. I just love having these individual popcorn containers for my friends. I'll fill them with popcorn and when the popcorn's gone, they can easily scoop up some more popcorn or fill their popcorn cup with candy. It's so much fun serving things that your friends can put together themselves. I love taking a crock pot and filling it full of nacho cheese and having the nacho chips ready and toppings so that your friends can put on whatever toppings they'd like. I also love having a hot dog bar. This way your friends can have a plain hot dog or they can add all sorts of different toppings. They can add whatever they'd like to the hot dog. Pizza is always a great choice on movie night. You can order it for delivery, have frozen pizza, or you can make your own homemade and let everyone put on their own toppings. Make sure that your friends all have a comfy seat where they can easily see the TV or movie screen. And don't forget, a cozy clean blanket for everybody makes movie night so much more comfortable. These super soft cozy blankets were very inexpensive at Walmart, and I can easily throw these in the washing machine. Setting up an ice cream sundae bar is something else you can do after the movie. It's always so much fun to let everyone put their own ice cream treats together. Be sure to have some extra little treat boxes or some little bags so that your friends can scoop up a little bit of the extra candy to take home with them on their way out. Be sure to find out what your friends would like to drink on movie night and have those drinks available. I had so much fun on movie night, I always do, and I hope this video helped inspire you to get ready for a really fun movie night for family and friends. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.